that's how we were both going about. He was stopping me. We even locked the door. It was really key. We locked the door. I didn't know where he kept the key. So when I get to the door, he draw me back, and that was what happened.
Okay.
Based on the police report, he said they were allegedly stabbing and three separate people. So what company was it for?
3 times.
The first one was both. The first one was twice. For instance, the first one on the neck side. That was the first one. And then when I stabbed him the first one twice, I threw the knife on the bed. Then he was going for it while I went for it. So while I laid on the bed, that's when it came on me to hold the knife, and that's when I managed to stab him with the knife. And then when he dragged the knife from me, he managed to slice my hand. And then as he was holding it, the knife broke, so it slipped off from his hand. I still managed to hold to it, but then it was now weak, and then it fell on the floor.
Okay, so why did you what was it about the first time that you didn't like? What did he do to you? Or what happened?
I was trying to sleep. It was midnight, so we were drunk and we have smoked, so I was already like sleepy, and then I was already sleepy, and then when he came to me, that was what happened. It was violent and all. It was SK loud. How was it?
SK and loud.
Was there weed in the room?
That's good now. Let's get it.
It's not.
How were you arrested?
They came to my house, and that's how I escaped.
Okay, do you live with your parents?
Yeah.
Where?
No, not in Nigeria.
Okay, how long have you known this guy and how did you meet him?
Exactly.
I've known him for 4 months, 5 months. I met him through friends.
A friend introduced him to you.
Yeah.
Okay, so how regular do you people see?
Not regular. Not regular.
You were saying he was coming for you understand?
That's what my first
Yeah.
time.
I need you to explain that because a lot of people do term that to mean another.
That's time. That was time.
Okay, so how long did you guys stay? Did you check in on Sunday? When did he die? Which day did he die? And when did you leave him? And how were you able to escape from the room after killing him, or you just walked in?
Well, while he was lying there, I changed, and then I left the room. I looked for the key for where he ate it, and I left it there.
So when you escaped, who did you reach out to? Where was the first place you went to?
I didn't reach out to anybody.
So how do you feel when you know that you have killed somebody and you just sneaked out? How do you feel at 21 committing this kind of crime?
What did you do with the ATM letter? With his ATM?
I withdrew some money.
How much?
About 280.
Not 5 million.
On confirmed reports have you that in your original account you have about 10 million naira. How did you get such amount of money?
That's not my account.
So how was it traced to you?
It's not
Any sense of remorse after committing this crime?
I felt a lot. Unconfirmed because I was supposed to
But
get
you didn't tell
5 million.
anybody before that you
Unconfirmed because I said that after the date, we 5 million. No, 5 million was in a girlfriend account.
So how much?
280. 80, I think.
What did you plan to do with the money?
What I plan to do with money?
The money you withdrew from his account.
To pay my fees.
Okay, now
When they
the guy
arrested
who brought the drugs, who called the guy, whose customer is that guy who brought drugs to you guys?
It was the one that called.
Is it the first time the guy supplied drugs to both of you?
I don't know. He's always having smoke with him. So I don't know if that was the first time.
In 4 months you've known him, how many times have you gone out with him?
And where do you
And
go?
what's the difference with this particular one?
We haven't gone out like out. It's always like we can meet and then we go to the house at the BTC.
You said
Is it BDC or Banana Island? Where, is it BDC or Banana Island?
The BTC.
So how do you feel when
I felt disappointed.
How did your parents get to know about this whole situation? Did you inform them yourself or how?
It was that day.
around what time did you arrest him? Let's pick up please.
Please speak up.
I think
Can you
it was 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Either 9 or 10. It was already very late. Yes, it was late.
So when you, do you live in school or you live with your parents?
I stayed with my
You
parents.
stay with your parents and you left on a Sunday and this happened when? That's like 3 days interval or thereabout. Where did you tell your parents you were going to?
I told him I was going for auction.
For what?
Ushering job?
Yes.
Have you been doing it before?
Yes. I see freelance sometimes.
Any other
You
question?
checked in into the shop like, according to reports that you checked in with the foreign number. Did you have any plan to track them? Because of course, no, it will be difficult to trace you with such foreign numbers. Is that correct?
It's not difficult to trace me with the number, but I didn't have mind of doing that.
But is it correct to say you checked in with the foreign number?
That was the number I used in texting the video.
That was the number you used.
In texting the video.
So you have a foreign number, just is that it?
What do you do with that
So what
number?
exactly?
It's a number. What country? It's a number.
So why should you
How
even
did
be
you
keeping
get the
it?
foreign number?
Have you traveled
How
out
did you get the
before?
foreign number?
It's an app.
It's an app.
Which
Okay,
app
there
is
is
that?
app.
Yes, app that generates number.
How would you do that?
Yeah, it's possible.
If you don't have verification, why you use foreign number? Don't have foreign number.
What do you do with the foreign number? Why would you like just on your own decide to have a foreign number? Okay. Are we good?
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, are you okay?
Sorry,
With the card. She should snap with the card.
Thank you for being bold, okay? Thank you for speaking up, please. Chidima, please look here.
Look up, look up.
just
Chidima.
We are capturing your
let's go.
Wait, I beg. Chidima, just look here, please. Look here. Please now. Chidima, please look up. Look up now.
all the guys are belong to
She's very beautiful.
How about the lady?
you should take her from back.
level now computer students from University of Lagos. They are attending into the science department at Lekki with the late man on that Sunday. So they were there together as friends. On Tuesday, she departed, left the man inside. So when the man did not come out on Tuesday, on Wednesday, I think those who are evacuating the 5 days, so went in to do their normal duty and discovered that the door to the apartment was a bit half open. So the door was opened and to remove the trash, and the man was found on the floor, full of his blood, with boxers only on. But that was the story, that was the beginning. We started our investigation. We started doing all the leads. And God's willing now, yesterday night, we went to track her and got her arrested. So, and she has confessed to the committal of the offense. That was, she will tell you her story by herself. So it was as a sort of a drug that both of them took, and combined with alcohol, and became high, and they tried to have fun with themselves now, which he insisted, and the man insisted, so that led to that fracas. So after the day, that was that Tuesday. And at the end of the day, so she reached out to the kitchen line, stabbed the man twice at the neck. So cut off the artery that supplies the blood, and while that one continues to, he equally stabbed him in the stomach and left him in the pool of blood, and cleverly came and left him there and went away on that Tuesday. So the blood call Wednesday, when we evacuated and further investigated, she equally disappeared now with the man's ATM card, which she said the man gave to her voluntarily and honestly had the claim. The police thereafter went to make some withdrawals. So from that, when we got now, we brought that line. And the man's driver license, and equally, so the man's other documents, the bank statement, the bank amount there. So she went with all these things. And we recover all those. And equally to the clothes she wore while the fight was on, police soaked with the man's blood. We got it recovered as an exhibit, and which she admitted. And I just asked her at the age of 21 now, what gave you that? So that trade, that strength now. She said, because of the drug, both of them took, and the alcohol, and that was what gave that. So that life and what led to that. It's too sad, but the students at that age, 99 year, so from 1999, so just 21 year old, and how to commit that. Then we need to make this so that to reduce what has gone on in the press. Immediately that thing happened now, social media went agog and went with fake news that Lekki is no longer safe. So one Michael Osibo has been kidnapped and they've taken it now, so all the money in his account has been withdrawn and they've killed him after kidnapping him. So everybody in Lekki, praise for God's sake. We don't need to go to the media when we are not sure about that. So social media is to promote unity, to promote security. What we now turn social media now to promote disunity and beat out fake news. Such news is not going to end here in this country. Any fake news on this media now, on this social media, goes outside this country, and it's our image collectively as Nigerians and the country so that goes out. So I appeal to members of the public. If anything happens and sending the news out, it that means that everyone has called. Has gone a long way. So that's why now we just decided that since God assisted us now, so with the other agencies that we work together collaboratively, and we're able to, so as the league one now, so we're able to get her arrested. We just feel that it's necessary to let members of the public know, so that all the situations, all what I've done now, so all the bad news will be put to rest. So that's a mission that I need to, because it has generated a lot of news in the media about what happened, what did not happen. So briefly, that's what happened, and that's why so I sought to assistance now in going to the media, to the world, and clarifying what happened about that. So probably by next week now, I will still need to call you and ask you for achievements. So So I need to achieve, but thank you very much. So as within the TV, we called you and you responded. So as you honor us, we shall continue to honor you. I appreciate that. If there's any germane, urgent questions, any clarification on any issue pertaining to security of Lagos State, I'm trying to answer you.
Thank you very much.